Today I will show you how to install open ring snap fasteners to your clothes. First, let's assemble the plier that comes with the kit. Place the rubber rings as shown in the video. Now insert the spring in one of the pins first, then into the second one. At this point the pliers are assembled. Now let's see the snap fasteners up close. In the package you have to find 3 different looking pieces, and to install one fastener on both sides of the fabric you need a total of 4 metal pieces. Make sure the orientation of the pieces is correct. The 2 identical pieces shown on top of the screen have sharp edges that will curl when squeezed with the pliers and hold the fabric sandwiched between both metal parts of the fastener. Now let's install some fasteners to the duvet cover I recently sold. Place one of the rings with the sharp edges on the flat side of the pliers. The rubber ring should keep it securely in place. Take the second part of the snap fastener and place it on the other side of the pliers as shown in the video. Now squeeze the pliers very firmly to attach the first half of the fastener. To attach the second half, first place the second one of the rings with the sharp edges on the flat side of the pliers. Take the second part of the snap fastener and place it on the other side of the pliers as shown in the video. Squeeze the pliers very firmly to attach the second half of the fastener. If you don't squeeze the pliers firmly enough, the fasteners may fall when you try to pull them apart. Now you can see how I'm installing another fastener from a different angle. Please don't forget to like the video if you find it helpful. If you want to learn how to calculate the needed fabric and how to sew your own set of bed sheets, you can check the video which I will leave in the description. Make sure both parts of the fastener are perfectly aligned before installing them. This will ensure you will have perfect results. That's all I had for today. Have a nice day and see you next time.